Hello guys, in this video I will show you a new website which is actually a fully open source AI website which allows you access to all the AI models for completely free. So it's actually kind of a virtual computer which actually have cloud access to all the AI models. It's called as Puter.js. It's a JavaScript kind of a framework. So if you go to Google, simply type this, the very first website which comes. So this is actually essentially a framework or a SDK, you may say. If you use it inside your website, it directly get access to all the top popular AI models that you have. So it's a complete open source project. As you see, it's almost got 40,000 GitHub stars. So it's completely free, no need to pay for this. So as you see that it internet computer free, open source and self-hostable. So now to actually include this inside your application, it's quite easy. You simply need to include this script tag. That's all that you need to do. Simply go to this website, simply copy the script tag and paste it inside your web page. After that, it get access to all the. So also this example is given to you. It's a very basic example where they included this SDK. You can even side by side run this example as well. So now automatically as soon as you do this, you can even create a file as well. Once you authenticate using your Google account, you can sign up using your Google account as well. So it will just hardly take 2 minutes. So after you sign up, your AI capabilities will be. So now you can see that we have asked a question that what is life using this model GPT 5.4 nano, given us this answer like this. So with the help of this framework, you can build out any sort of AI chatbots inside your websites. So various kinds of models are there. This is for image analysis. So right here we simply ask a question about the image. We provide the URL of the image and we ask, what do you see? So now the AI will actually tell what. So now you can see loading. I see a realistic stuff plus animal lying on the side. So as you can see, the AI is answering the question about the image, what the AI is seeing. So you can even simply copy this example, and if you want to create locally this project, you can even do that as well. Simply, it's very easy. You can even run this. So this actually opens the possibility of a lot more AI related applications. You can actually use this SDK very simply by simply creating files here. So just create a simple index.html file. You paste that code. You paste this code here. So right here we are including the SDK right here in the very first line. Then we are putting this image. So we can run this locally as well. So you can see that. Yes. So you open this example in the browser. So now once again, so you're just activating the extensions. So just wait. So this is completely open source. So it's a virtual computer having access to all the LLMs, AI frameworks, Puter.js. So in this easy way, you can use this library and you start using it inside your project. So it's a open playground section right here. You can try out any model. For example, you can even change this model as well from GPT. You can integrate the DeepSeek model as well directly right here, as you can see that. You can chat with Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude Sonnet. You can see that. So in this easy way, you can build out AI related applications very simply. So now it has opened it at localhost 3000. So you just need to log in. As user come to the website, they just need to log in, and after that, this AI will work. So this is actually Puter.js. Definitely check this website out. Puter, it's completely open source. It has access to all the AI providers. It's a complete framework. You can directly include this inside your own applications as well to make out different AI related applications. So it has all the AI models. You can extract text from text to video. So a sunrise drone shot flying over a corn ocean. So the AI can also build a video as well. You can see that. So this is a test video built. You can chat with Claude Sonnet. You can see this is a Claude Sonnet model. So definitely check this website out, guys. Puter.js. It's very easy to include.